Hello, I'm Jeff Meachem, and I'm a senior technical instructor here at Trellix. I'd like to give you guys a quick tip on how to implement TQL, our Trellix Query Language. If you're an analyst on your team, you'll be pretty amazed at how much this improves the quality of your search results. To begin, let's go ahead and talk about matching. In this example, I'm going to search for events where the domain equals google.com. In this case, I am using the equal sign, so the events have to match exactly google.com. However, in this case, we're going to be a bit limited to receiving only events where the domain equals google.com. We wouldn't see instances of mail.google.com or google.com/Trellix. Instead, if we wanted to see events more similar to those, what we could do is replace this equal sign with a colon. So by using this colon symbol, this would now include any events where the domain contains google.com. Examples of what we could see are subdomains, such as mail.google.com or dns.google.com. However, we would also be able to search and see events containing google.com as part of a URL. For example, we might even see items like google.com/Trellix or google.com/Gmail. Now, because in this scenario, we have infinite possibilities, let's go ahead and use the group by on the field domain to see some of our more common domains in the past 24 hours. I'm going to just come down here and click, and then say group by field. You'll notice that my search has now been auto-populated to group by domain. I'll click search. And down here, I can see all of the domains that contain google.com. And then down here, we can see how many events contain the domain google.com in the past 24 hours. In this case, it looks like there was only 17. Now, to enhance our search further, let's say we wanted to see events where we wanted to either see domains that equal dns.google.com or where the domain equals mail.google.com. I'll come up here and quickly do a search. Domain equals dns.google.com and add the OR operator. This will mean I will only see events that have the domain equaling dns.google.com or the domain equaling mail.google.com. Right down here, we can see I have at least 29 results. Now, let's say that I wanted to enhance my search even further by searching for a specific IP address and where the domain is equal to maps.google.com. To do a search like this is very simple to do. All we need to do is change our search like this. We'll put source IPv4 equals 172.217.12.110, and the domain is equal to maps.google.com. Right here, we can see that we do have 4 results that were brought back to us. And that wraps up this Smart Tips video. If you still have questions on some of this syntax, please click on the syntax help right here next to the favorites to get some more tips on how to properly search using TQL. And that's how you TQL. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more product smart tips from Trellix.